Today, I have some pretty exciting updates to share with you guys about NexTech AR Solutions, which is an AR and 3D technology company that's slowly seeping their way into the world of e-commerce. NexTech AR adopting LiDAR technology for its real-world metaverse spatial mapping platform ARway. So before I get into this, first, let's give a quick overview of the ARway offering. ARway's main purpose is to augment physical spaces in the metaverse, consisting of indoor navigation with AR activations to improve the visitor experience in some large and pretty complex spaces, intended for use by creators, brands, and companies. And with this offering, it's broken out into two components, the web platform and the mobile platform. For the web creator platform, it provides a bit more advanced capabilities compared to their mobile app, including the ability for creators to upload their own object and JLB files and create their own 3D objects. Furthermore, placing this kind of 3D content in a large area using only the mobile app required the user to physically be in the specific location, which of course wasn't really scalable. However, with their web studio, it allows the user to place and author content remotely and at scale, which is a pretty powerful concept. And for the ARway mobile app, anyone can spatially map their location within minutes using their smartphone and populate it with interactive 3D content, augmented reality wayfinding, audio, text, images, and more. NexTech is even providing several preloaded 3D objects which creators can leverage to populate their own spaces how they please. How it works is, the platform has a visual positioning system which NexTech refers to as mapping and localization, where the users can map and enable this positioning system in any area through the platform. And in addition, users can share their metaverse with others, creating a new level of immersion interactivity for social, branding, advertising, gaming, and more metaverse experiences. So with that out of the way, let's discuss this update. NexTech announced on August 24th that ARway, their no-code spatial computing platform, is now adopting LiDAR technology to create hyper-accurate meshes for its metaverse spatial mapping software. And this move to LiDAR technology enhances the ability of ARway to create high-quality meshes and spatial mapping solutions, which in my opinion is setting the stage for ARway to have a leadership position in the rapidly growing wayfinding and spatial computing market. And LiDAR technology, which stands for light detection and ranging, uses a remote sensing method that uses light in the form of pulsed lasers to measure ranges. Essentially, LiDAR uses these sensors to create precise 3D dimensional images of the environment and to measure distances and the velocity of road traffic, participants, obstacles, and pedestrians, which is why a lot of major car manufacturers are investing billions of dollars into LiDAR for self-driving electric vehicles. You see, LiDAR provides a much more dense point cloud than video-to-point cloud technology, producing a hyper-accurate model of the environment scanned. And this is actually a really significant technological advancement for NexTech because it can now leverage LiDAR to produce a highly detailed 3D digital twin for use by creators in its Map Studio portal, as well as an information-rich point cloud to localize with. Overall though, this creates a much better user experience than traditional point cloud solutions, as it enhances mapping accuracy and occlusion considerably. For example, realtors using LiDAR have greater spatial awareness for remote locations in the context of the room and are able to create AR-enhanced wayfinding and spatial experiences with greater reliability and accuracy. They also have access to a richer data set, connecting spaces digitally in 3 dimensions. And the cool thing is, it's really simple to use, but also extremely powerful. It also allows for robust, dynamic anchoring for visitors, which allows them to localize anywhere within the spatial map, where users need only take out their phones and scan the space, wherever they may happen to be. And according to NexTech's CEO, Evan Gappelberg, we are constantly analyzing new technologies which can give us a competitive edge in the market, and with our adoption of LiDAR, which is bleeding edge technology, we believe we have gained that edge. Apple Computer had already invested billions into developing LiDAR, which is now available in some of the newer iPhones. LiDAR essentially acts as the computer's eyes. LiDAR has already found a perfect market fit in the automotive industry, with all the new EV self-driving cars produced by Tesla and others adopting LiDAR technology. If you ever see an autonomous vehicle, you may have noticed a rapidly spinning tube mounted on its roof. This is a LiDAR unit. Its role is to measure the distance of objects relative to the position of the car in 3D. We believe it's also a perfect product market fit for AR wayfinding, and that adopting LiDAR technology for our AR Way solution will give users hyper-accurate spatial maps and provide deep analytics within the map, which is exactly what our customers are telling us they want. So overall, I think this is a huge milestone for NexTech, and shows that they're continuing to iterate and improve on the technology that they already have. And as a shareholder in NexTech, it's news like this that really excites me, and I honestly can't wait to see what's going to come next out of this company. And I think I'd like to wrap up the video here, guys. Thanks as always, and I'll catch you next time.